Welcome aboard to Gourmet on the Go with Layover Creations. My name is Jennifer. I'm a seasoned flight attendant with a passion for healthy eating and travel. This channel is your ultimate guide to nutritious, plant-based meals designed for anyone, but specifically for those constantly on the move, like flight crews, business travelers, and adventurers. Join me as I share delicious recipes, meal prep tips, and creative ways to enjoy wholesome food that can safely be transported and eaten just about anywhere, from planes and airports to hotel rooms. Subscribe now and embark on a journey towards healthier, tastier travel meals. Today I'm preparing a high-protein pasta salad that's perfect for those on-the-go moments. This wholesome salad can be eaten straight from the container you pack it in. Just add your favorite dressing and enjoy. I started with the gluten-free pasta, but there are so many pastas you can choose from. The ingredients for this salad are perfect for the pasta you fancy. My pasta was a little dry, so I started by adding a 1/4 cup of avocado oil. My dressing when I eat this later will also be made from avocado oil. I added a mixture of fresh chopped parsley and cilantro, but here you'll see I added dried basil, and that's because my fresh basil plant wilted earlier this summer. I also used dried black garlic flakes. I found these at Trader Joe's and I absolutely love them. I even travel with a jar in case I have to purchase food or get stuck somewhere longer than anticipated. And sometimes I do have the unfortunate situation where a hotel refrigerator damages my food and I end up eating my backup emergency packaged food. And the black garlic flakes are a great enhancement. As a flight attendant, I often face unpredictable schedules where meal breaks disappear due to delays or unexpected events. In those moments, having a nutritious, high-protein meal like this pasta salad is a lifesaver. It's definitely much better than eating pretzels and cookies when time for a proper meal is lost. I chopped and added celery, arugula, and spinach. Today I use arugula straight from the package because it was a last-minute decision. The spinach also came from a package that said it was triple washed, but I usually still wash my spinach and dry it before using. I do eat a lot of spinach, so I usually wash, spin, dry, and proportion it as soon as I get home from the grocery store. I use Ziploc or reusable bags to store the spinach after wrapping it in paper towel. Believe it or not, my body does not like regular iceberg lettuce, but I can still eat kale, spinach, arugula, cabbage, and lots of other greens. Comment below on odd foods you may not be able to eat, or maybe you can tell me why I can't handle iceberg lettuce but can eat similar foods. I wanted to enhance the flavor of bell peppers, so I pan-fried them before adding them to the salad. I use baby bells in lots of my dishes because I also use them as a snack food throughout my flights, mostly with hummus. And hummus is a very versatile ingredient and is great on the go, especially if you place it in a dish or package it in something that you can easily dip into or squeeze. And the National Institute of Health says that hummus can play a unique role to improve health and promote a quality diet. I'm planning to provide you with a hummus video soon, and after making your own, I bet you won't want to buy packaged hummus anymore. Next, I added red cabbage, which I shredded from a large head. It is a great buy because one head of red cabbage goes a very long way in making a variety of dishes, and it's so nutritious and beneficial to your health. Red cabbage is low in calories, full of vitamins and minerals, and has a higher amount of antioxidants than any other cabbage. WebMD says that red cabbage helps the heart, protects the brain, is great for bone health, digestive health, weight control, colorectal cancer prevention, and reduces breastfeeding discomfort and diabetes risk. Now these are canned red beans. I drained them and rinsed them thoroughly. By the way, there are so many types of canned beans that you can use in this salad. As a side note, if something has happened to my food, like I forgot it somewhere, the refrigerator froze my vegetables, or some other unfortunate events caused me to run out of food, I sometimes ask the hotel if I can get a ride to the grocery store if one is not within walking distance. And if all else fails, I eat my emergency canned or packaged food, or call on Uber if really desperate. Once at the store, I usually purchase fresh veggies and fruits for a salad and a can of beans or chickpeas for protein. If you don't carry a can opener, look for a can with a pull tab. Carrots are added next. Here are some of the benefits of carrots. Carrots have many antioxidants proven to fight off harmful free radicals in your body. They lower your risk of cancer, help your heart, boost your immune system, control diabetes, strengthen teeth and bones, help with constipation, make you feel full, benefit your skin health, and your eyes become healthier as well. To add a little more crunch to this salad, I pan roasted some chickpeas and English peas. It's easy to pan roast the peas. Here I place them in a cast iron pan with Cameroon pepper that was sold in an African market I got in California. I left them on medium-high heat and stirred occasionally in an effort to get them crispy all the way around. My most favorite way to roast them, though, is on our pellet grill because it's so much easier. No tossing required. Chickpeas will get a little crispier as they cool. There are so many times when we are rushed to help passengers get off the planes and prepare for our next flights, either due to unforeseen circumstances or just scheduling flights back to back for the cruise, that sitting down to eat can be tricky. Flavored roasted chickpeas like these become a very quick snack to curb my appetite when I don't have time to sit. What are your on-the-go quick snacks when you don't have time to eat? Let me know in the comments below. Finally, I add roasted shelled sunflower seeds. Now remember, separate your salad into snack and meal-sized containers, and don't forget your dressing. You'll pour this on your salad when it's time to eat. If you put the dressing on too soon, the dressing will make the greens in your salad and the chickpeas and nuts soggy. Do me a huge favor, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipes and tips. I know there are a lot of meal prep channels that you can choose from. Thank you for watching mine. Safe flying, and see you in the next video.